Good morning, good morning. So I'm gonna be going over some of my levels with you guys right now. I'm definitely gonna be probably taking a buy above 151, 750. I'll go a little bit more in depth of why in a bit. All right, cool. I got 5 minutes till this candle closes, so we'll see how it closes. Yeah, see, that's cool. That's what I'd be looking for right there. So, I mean, we got 5 minutes till this candle closes, so we'll see how this candle closes. But 5 minutes left in the candle looking like this, it's definitely a candle I'm gonna want to enter on. But we just gonna keep waiting though. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah. Good thing about this is we got a candle to the downside, or not to. Yeah, we got some wasted downside a little bit. I'd like to see a little bit of wick on the upside, but ultimately I want to see this candle close above 151, 750. If it does that, I mean, for sure I'm gonna get into buy positions, but we're just waiting right now. Still patiently waiting. We got 3 minutes. This 15-minute candle is pretty strong. I ain't gonna lie. I was maybe expecting like one 15-minute candle close here and the next one go up here, but this is the whole 15 right here. So I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but starting to close a little bit under. And if we're gonna close under, I'm not buying. I think I take the risk if it does close like literally right at like 150, 750, 151, 750, around that price range when I will enter. I'll take that risk. Get the old MetaTrader ready. Oh yeah. Well, as much as I was hoping to get into a buy, I think now definitely gonna be waiting. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's crazy right there. Like I was literally 5 seconds ago, I was like, got 30 seconds left in the candle. I mean, personally, I hope that it goes past this so I can get into a buy position. I would like to get into a play a little earlier than later today. I got some people coming to work on the house, so we got some dudes coming through to paint, getting new chandelier and shit like that. So if I can get into a play a little earlier, it'd be probably better for the sake of the stream. Mm. So I didn't enter just because kind of closed underneath where I was looking for it to close. I think maybe if it breaks this, if the candle breaks the high, I might get into like an impulse entry, I guess you could say. But definitely still waiting. All right, I did get into a buy position now. Uh, 51,780. Spray got me good. Spray got me good. All right, 10 pips. Overall take profit. All right, move this. Stop loss is gonna be at 151, 679. Take profit is gonna be at 151, 942. All right, perfect, perfect. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So now that we are in this play, I'm gonna mark out 10 pips. I am a scalper for anybody who doesn't know. And what I'm doing right now is I'm adding a man, a 10 pip marker, just in case it goes 10 pips or so. But like any good trader, you got to be expected to, take your losses too. So I mean, I think no matter what, I'm gonna be, ready to either have some good risk management or some good trade management. And if nobody doesn't know the difference between the two, whenever my play's in the red, that's risk management because that's meaning I'm losing. So I'm like managing my risk. And when I'm in profits, that's managing your it's trade management. At that point, you're managing your trade in profits, which is a skill in itself because some people get greedy and don't know how to take profits when they need to, which can burn them in the long run. Shit. Looks okay. Looks okay. Looks okay. Nothing crazy. Probably put a. think off 50% of them. So this little orange marker right here, I'm basically, if my play goes against me, I'm gonna be going ahead and I'm gonna be 50%ing my trade if it crosses this line or whatever you want to call it. Right here, the dash line is the 50%, and you know we don't want that to happen. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. But all right, this is cool, man. This is cool so far. I'm liking how it's going. Mom, I love you. You be smooth. I'm gonna get to this money. These baby profits right now, just cooling in something small. I feel pretty damn good if it just kept going up, get me to a risk-free trade. I'd really appreciate that. Just sitting here waiting. But I'm in a play though, so that's a little bit more exciting than just waiting to enter something. Waiting to enter something, you know, sucks, but it's well necessary. If you don't know what to look for and you're just fucking looking to get into some play, a buy or sell, then good fucking luck. It's gonna be hard fucking work trying to make money in these markets, but if you got a keen eye and you know what the fuck you're looking for, you know what to do and you react in those situations and you act upon them, you never know, this might bless you. So, and something else. All right, YouTube. I'm just doing a little. I guess you could say marketing. I'm just trying to market, trying to get the stream up. I don't got that many followers neither, but uh, trying to see if get some more people up in here to watch this shit. Right now, we just barely in profits, maybe like 2 or 3 pips. We just cooling, man. I like how this candle is right now. Obviously, I want it to close like this. I got some ideas on whether if it closes in drawdown, and if it closes in drawdown, I just might actually 50% it, just to reduce the risk, you know. Uh, but I mean, shit, we're just chilling right now. Just really just trying to be patient with it, and like I said, if this We still got another 15-minute candle to this play, so being another 15-minute candle is one of those things where like if this candle closes beneath my entry point, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and 50% my trade. I don't want to go in full. I don't want to go in full drawdown um, without 50% of my trade, and so I think that's gonna be something really critical in this point. I mean, right now we are floating in profits, but yeah, we still got 16 minutes on the candle though. So up until this mug closes, we just gonna be chilling. I got no news. Can't even talk. I got no economic news really. When I come over here, uh, the office. Let's see. Hold on. Shh. Shh. I was just like, shit. But yeah, I'm live on YouTube, man. Tap in my YouTube. I'm live on this motherfucker right now. Shit. I gotta figure out a way to link this motherfucker better. Like link the shit on there. I'll be fucking up and stuff. I don't know what to say. The link, yeah, I gotta get the link right. But yeah. So this actually is looking much better now. But it's this next 15-minute candle that's gonna basically decide whether I'm gonna stay full position or 50%. And it could be this next very candle because this is the 30-minute chart. When I break it down to 15, it's this nice chunky candle here. In the next 30 seconds, you can see that. Come on, bitch. In the next 20 seconds, this candle's going to close. Obviously, it's going to close in my favor right here. Thankfully, that's what I like. But if it closes in the red, or for instance, this candle shoots back down, at that point, I'm going to 50% my trade because I don't want to go in full drawdown with my full position. That's how I say that. And then coming over here with the news, we got today, which is Wednesday. Almost forgot what day it was. Oh hell yeah, bro! Good shit. So I love it here, baby. Locked in. I thought the support looked cool. The next 15-minute candle's opening up. So right here at price level 151.877 is going to be my 10 pip margin. I'm going to be 50% in profits. I'm going to be 50% profits right there. And shit, it feels good to see, my boy up in there too. He's getting to play too. Off his own analysis, what I'm saying? He come in here, bro. He be knowing just like me, what I'm saying? We thinking alike, what I'm saying? So that shit beautiful, baby, beautiful. That shit looking cool right now. So I'm looking forward to fucking I'm trying to get this 10 pips so I can move my stop loss to break even. But right now I still got a 10 pip stop loss. I could kind of shadow it or whatever you want to call it, like kind of maybe move it up a little bit, which would probably be smart. Honestly, I think I probably would do that. Just because I'm damn near 10 pips profit. So that being said, I think it's I don't know, it's part of trade management. It's kind of hard to tell. It's kind of hard to know. I mean, it's not hard to know what the hell am I talking about. It's just kind of something you be thinking about, like. But then again, I never want to go and draw down, for real. So I think I actually just might. I mean, it looks like it's about to hit 10 pips here relatively soon. Oh yeah, hold on. All right, so what I had to do is I 50% of my trade. I got 10 pips secured. I got my play at break even. Soon I'm gonna be getting a webcam for my desktop because it's so much better trading on my desktop. It's so much better like looking off of it. Like the Mac's cool, but shit, I just remember doing this all the time on the Mac. Feels good having a computer though. So at this point, I'm just chilling, like for real. I honestly want to like move my, possibly even move my my take profit even like up here or even a higher one, 152. I mean, I got it 50%. So at this point, I'm really not tripping. I might even, what the fuck you call that? Yeah, I guess it'd be 50% of that trade too. So I basically be like, it'd be then it's from a 50 cent to a 25. So something like that. Then a 25 to, what would that be? Like a 12. Yes, sir. Hey, but no cap though. I appreciate everybody hopping on. My boy Mario came through. He came through. He conquered himself. Now we're just cooling, man. But hey, tap into my live stream on YouTube. I'm probably gonna put a link in my bio so everybody can give a subscribe to that. I'd most definitely appreciate it. And yeah, we just gonna see each other tomorrow morning. Yesterday morning I had some guys working on my house, so I didn't get up on the live stream. But today I had good time before they came, and definitely got up in here. So I'm most definitely looking forward to see everybody on the street tomorrow. Let's see if I have anybody in the chat right now. No, I do not. No, I do not. But it's all good. It's all good. Anyways, everybody take it easy. Have a good one. This is yeah. So YouTube Live. I'm just chilling right now. I'm gonna definitely look over some other pairs now at this point because it's kind of pointless watching this. We're at break even, so if it hits my break even, hits my break even, continues to hit take profit. I mean, great. Only thing I'm thinking about now is maybe raising my take profit. Obviously, it raised the risk of is it gonna hit that or not, and like whether or not it's actually gonna hit or not. I feel like 151, 942. I mean, I feel like that should hit pretty guaranteed. I don't really have no worries about that. But if I was to move my stop loss, around 152, basically around here, 152, 063, be 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 like another take profit of mine. Like I'd be pretty interested, but it's really choppy right there. So you know, probably safe take profits would definitely be around 152, probably 152 even. Man, I gotta get a different playlist for this shit. I'm probably gonna do a little research on that too. But hey, this is, I mean, I feel pretty good. I feel pretty good. It's gonna hit this next, take profit. But on the 30-minute candle though, this is one 30-minute candle. Swear to God. And to be honest, when I enter this play, obviously I usually enter when candles close. So you would think if I entered when this candle closed, my entry would be somewhere around here, a better entry than where I'm at now. But the idea is I wanted this next live 30-minute candle to break these wicks. And at that point, when that candle broke the wicks on the new candle, I had a better feeling, like I was more willing to take the risk of getting into this trade. Ideally, I'd like this candle to close above that, but to enter this position, I think it's really critical to know how to get into impulsive entries, because this would be like a really good example of an impulsive entry, because the candle was live and I entered upon a live 30-minute candle. It worked out, but it's something that just takes time and experience with the same pair. Excuse me. But yeah, I did be trading the same pairs. And check out gold here in a second. Excuse me. Alright, so this is gold. This is the next pair I like to trade. I've really been staying away from gold recently. Last time I traded was NFP week. It was on Wednesday. I got to a buy position for like 25 pips, but that 25 pips hit in like, I caught it live. It was my first actual stream. It was September 1st, and it was like a 25 pip play. It was pretty solid. Felt pretty good. But on Friday though, that was the real NFP, and there were some major buy plays, and congrats to whoever got into those buy plays, really, because it's really hard to trade NFP. it really is. And the reason why it's hard is because when you don't know what to look for, I mean, fuck, it gets really ugly if you're in the wrong bias. Just as good as it is when you're in the right bias, because your take profits being a scalper, I don't know what generally everybody has their own methods, and there's no shame, no foul for that. Whatever keeps a man profitable, hey, keep doing that, keep it going. That's the main thing, is profitability. I don't care if you hit $1 million in a trade, but if you lose $1,005 the next day, I mean, that don't mean shit. You a bad trader. Same with it goes the same. Like, I remember, like, when I first started, I just $100 accounts all the time, $100, and I got in bad habits like that, So I think it's a good investment to probably do about $500. Start with that, because you're less likely to be like, yeah, it's only $500, like, fuck it. But hey, everybody's situation is different, so you could be like, 10 bands, fuck it. But, that might be light to somebody. just as much as 500 to me was a little lighter, you know. But not really though. It's not like super light. It's just like you don't want you don't want it to be light because then you're gonna have like a you're not gonna have the same respect for it. I guess I can say. It's like a Winnie the Pooh or Charlie Brown. Winnie the Pooh. That's definitely not it. Charlie Brown. That's what I meant. Ah man. So I mean, yeah, this is just a standard morning. With DJ, thankfully, I feel like I've gotten this down pretty good. But when it comes down to gold, man, I'm not the greatest though. Still learning. But I'm about to give me some water though. He said, "Here we go." Hell yeah. It's so comedy, bro. This should be comedy, man. I gotta get, like I was trying to think. I'll be thinking how Banks be doing it. Like I fuck with how he be doing it. Like it looks clean. It looks clean how I set it. But he's got a little bit of that Zoom thing going on. But I don't know. I don't know. He's got it looks more official. Is what I'm trying to say. Like mine, you just see everything I have on my screen. It's just no shame, no. This could very well be the candle. I mean, we never know. This could be the candle to maybe go break even, which is it is what it is. But this could be also the candle that smashed the tape properly, because it could just be making a little bottom wake, you know, keep continuing to the upside. I mean, it's pretty clean traffic, but I mean, there really is no news, no economic news. We got volume coming in with New York session coming in here in 30 minutes, and like New York Open and New York Stock Exchange at 8 o'clock. I'm Central Time, so to anybody that's tapping into the stream on a different time zone, 6:31 for me. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water. Beautiful. All right, it's time to mark up though. I get to mark up. Now this is Forex to the T. Let me tell you, hitting break even is nothing new. And if it happens, fuck it. I mean, it's break even, baby. We already made some money, so it's not terrible. And it could be making a little wick. Let me go on my higher time frame, see what I got cooking. Alright, I'm about to delete all this. Pretty strong resistance. This candle's not a support yet, so I'm not going to put that down as a support. Because it could continue to push a little bit further down. Maybe close a weak bearish on the daily. I mean, skeptical. Could also keep pushing up. Make a nice support candle for the daily. Yo, PC starting to work hard. I hear him breathing. Definitely got to go out and cop this little camera. What do you call that? Camcorder. Little Logitech. So here's interesting. I mean, honestly, I don't think it's going to create a support. Resistance. I think it could create a resistance more around this level. Price level 18. Let's see. 1808, 600, around there. Could create another resistance, possibly. Not guaranteed, but it's more than likely to happen. Alright, so let's break this down even farther. Perfect. So, from the 4 hour perspective, we've seen it just from that. Now that we're on the hourly, though, it's more obvious that it's clearly right here. Shout out to our hot banks, man. Shout out to Raha Banks, for real. This guy's a legend. Who I learned from to help me become more profitable, and I say mainly because it's learning a lot more about trade and risk management. I also learned from Daniel Savage, and great mentor to me too. I like his setups, and I like the Fibonacci. definitely shows you how to become profitable, get nice 25 pip moves, but um, the risk management there was more basically just not over leveraging your account. Um, and you can a little bit, over leverage a little bit when it comes down to 10 pipping it because you can easily, more easily 50% your plays. And just with the correct rules, you know what I'm saying? You apply the same rules though with the whole, you know, the other methods, but I ain't gonna lie, big help to both of them. But Wicks don't lie, man. He's something else. Wicks don't lie, man. Straight up though. Tap into his YouTube. He's got a YouTube, and that's what I learned from him. Everything was free. She was a blessing, bro. A blessing. But while goals are chilling. It's a pretty nice range, though. I have to say, this has got to be more than 30 pips. Fucking 60. So I mean, that's solid. Obviously, a break to the upside would be fucking ideal. Probably put a alert on this, no cap. Because I got 1 to 2 trades in me, so I might get into another position here. But that's if that even happens. Sales, I don't really know because I haven't really looked at any further support and resistances. I mean, obviously we know we got a pretty major support here at 1784, which could be a take profit, but just in case there's any other little ones. Oh, yeah, like something like this right here. Maybe it's like another take profit zone. Definitely, like I said, I like taking profits at 10 pips. So shit, that's probably 20 from the gray zone, from like right here. I'm actually gonna put this down. This is the 30-minute chart, so everybody can see what the hell I'm talking about. Yeah, right there. So if any candle close, I mean, with being gold, I mean, shit, a candle could close bearish past this and just blow right through it and hit the take profit already, and you'd be like, damn, how did I enter that? Probably have to be through impulse entry, or breaking down lower time frames, 5 minutes and shit like that. But yeah, so that's easy 10 pips. That's 23 pips, so that's more than enough. I mean, and with this big ass range, I mean, 63 pips. It's like a 60 pip range, so this got some really good potential. I mean, with a 60 pip range, I mean, if it breaks below, we could possibly see it hitting 1784. But that's within a day. Let's see how GJ's doing though. Kind of curious to see if I'm at break even or take profit. Oh shit. We are coming back down. So I mean, at this point, it is what it is. I'm glad I secured profits. That's the main thing. Securing profits, because if it does hit my stop loss, which it is right, probably just stop me out. Check this out. Yeah, it closed me out. So it closed me out. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Not a bad play at all. So when I take a look at this, I mean, yeah. So just 10 pips. I 50% my trade at 10, and then I left the rest to run to hopefully hit my take profit here, but I got stopped out at break even, and what's it called? Yeah, it did not hit my zone like I expected it to, which, hey, is what it is. It's trading. So now, go back to gold. And with gold, honestly, I like to trade it sometimes on the 15 and 5 minute. I found that helps me find better entries. And there could be a possible play, like, say for instance, it does close underneath, like 1796. It's just really risky though, in my opinion, because it's kind of like within this range, and the candles are relatively clean, but there's a lot of rejections to the downside, so it could easily just make a new support and shoot right back up. And if I do remember right, I think on the higher time frames, yeah, we've created a pretty good support. But on the daily though, as I say, yeah, the daily, it's bullish right now, so it can continue up a little bit higher just to make a better daily candle. But still needs to probably create a excuse me, a wick to the downside. All right. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, bro. My bad, bro. I didn't even see you in here, bro. To be honest, I'm kind of talking to myself, acting like if I like how I would act if I had a million people watching me type stuff. So, but this is what I gotta get better. I wish I could take my chat and like move it out to where I could see it like on my screen with this. I'm trying to figure out how I can possibly do something like that. Maybe if I put them together. Nah, actually that wouldn't work because then it'd be weird looking. Let's see. Strong confirmation below your 1792. Let me see. 1792. Yeah, yeah. I totally agree. I know exactly what you're talking about. Stronger confirmation. Yeah, this 15-minute one is like just that's risky. I mean, it's definitely answerable, but it's just a riskier play. If you took a loss on that, you definitely couldn't be mad because you would understand, like, nigga, that was risky. So, that's definitely something that's good insight. Good insight. I'm weak as hell. I said the good insight. Oh, it's just funny as fuck. Hey, but if this ain't Forex, though, look at that shit. Here's your break even, just goes a little bit right back on profits. Like, hey, it is what it is, but it's just so funny how that be, though. I swear to God, every time you do break even, that's like almost 90, 80% of the time that shit happens. But, you know, I'm not tripping. It's one of those things, it's just funny as hell. Oh my God. The break even trades, man. I love them, though, because their break even. Shit, losing would be the worst case fucking scenario. And I've experienced it before too many times with them 100 ball accounts, man. Being in profits to draw down was just the worst feeling ever. Swear to God. Man, I gotta find the Raha Bakes playlist that fucking that shit just gets me going there. Yeah, I can't even think what it sounds like right now. That's a good one though. This copyright music's comedy. Let me like, uh, let's see. Alright, this ain't bad. I just don't want nothing like EDM. Just going crazy for no reason, like 5 in the morning. Just fucking act like I'm DJing this shit. Like those niggas on Twitch. Hey, this is cool though. This is cool. Get you in the mood. Get you in the mood. Alright, let's see some other stuff. I've been low-key thinking about trading US 30 on like a micro lot. Like the smallest one you can get. But my god, dude, I ain't gonna lie, it just looks very intimidating. But like I've heard though, when it's bullish, it's very bullish, and just, I mean, you could easily see that this shit's been bullish forever. But the biggest problem to it is like, you know, yeah, it's bullish and shit, but there's also daily candles, like not even an inch is like fucking your whole account. You know, it's crazy with how much this shit moves. So I've never really traded this KPG. Something I wanted to trade for a while, but I never got myself into doing it just because it's just like, it's so volatile. I feel like it should just be, it's a demon. Man, it's like when I used to have hella QPs and shit. Wow, I'm weak. Almost forgot. How the fuck does my Mac even remember that? Shit's almost like 2 years ago now. Nah, I'm tripping. Actually, it was like a year ago because I didn't start marking up US 30 until I copped the Daniel Savage too. So that was like about a year ago. Which is crazy, bro. Gotta keep going harder. Still believe in myself though. That 25 bands a month is something. Those tracks are slappers. Yeah, like this is trash. I feel like I'm at like a pop concert right now. I gotta change that. Ain't no house music. I thought like the house music maybe was the word for it. That shit wasn't it, bro. The first one, it didn't sound terrible, but the next one, like I was about to start fist pumping. Dude, I'm telling you, them tracks are slappers, man. I'm saying, that shit really is, bro. That shit, there's hella freaking, there's like a several I'm trying to think of. And I want to rap over that shit. Oh god, that shit would be super cool. Hey, I know this won't be copyrighted because this is my damn song. Hold on. I'm probably just gonna post it. Like I was waiting for someone to mix and master it and shit like that, but I don't know, man. People asking for goofy shit. I asked for a simple mix and master, and dudes trying to talk about booking time with me and stuff like that. I was like, bro, I just want this mix and master. And dude never got back to me on that, so. Yeah, he ain't playing. Oh, I gotta play this on speaker. You can barely hear that shit. Oh, coolio. This ain't bad. Can't you see, man? The studio says, can't see. I face the woods cause I'm tired of these bogarts. I ain't got a bitch, but I bought my mama a yard. And I told my older sister I'ma really go far. Hit the road for a bag, going far. Just for a cheap price. My boy Foodie's trying to hustle right. Price going up and price coming down. Get it right, you just a clown. I ain't in the tricking hoe. Really not no fresh bump. Shit, you know I'm on the run. I don't really care cause the shit market well.
Not giving no tips if it stay well. Shorty this period, it's a good sale. Can't argue with no bitches. Fucking yeah, getting this pay.
Damn, really fucking petty money.
And it be a shame.
And she really trying to take it from me.
I can't hang with Langer burgers.
You play shit, I ain't charge you a burger.
Sweet like
I keep T-turn.
People ask what I do.
I'm a bread earner.
Stay quiet, move silent, I'm a good learner. If they struggle to hit me up, but I had a curve, getting really gritty with this shit. Feel like my tray, I'm not on the beat.
Let's give me stink face.
And I got a brush, so better
She made a lay.
and I'm switching up, getting paid all in different states. When I come back, boy, you know I'm
What's on the race?
sticking to the plan, I'm not waiting for another day.
The EDM, man, EDM at 6 in the morning. That would be something. All right, now I gotta. It's so funny too, bro, because I bet you no one told you, or I'm about to message him myself. Like, bro, what do you use? Like, what? How did you get that song? This just cracks me up. So risky sales could play into position here. Personally, though, I don't think I'm gonna take it. Better confirmations at 1793, in my opinion. Oh yeah, easily, because there's a pretty nice support right here on the hourly, which could easily get rejected. I'm not saying you couldn't easily get 10 pips, but might not be so easy though. Could be some drawdown and some just hanging around here. I got someone messaging me there. This would be like, I don't know. I wouldn't do no Fibonacci or nothing like that on this because the trend has been definitely more bearish, and you want to be going with the trend. And even though this is like major pips, I mean, if you put like a Fibonacci from your swing low to swing high, it wouldn't look too good for you. I never liked too many plays. I got into it, and Daniel Savage talked about entering off 7.64s, but if you're going to be playing in between this range, it really makes you contemplate where you want to enter, especially when it's in between your 50% and your 618. And 7.64, like, why the fuck would I want to enter on a 7.64? And already right there is probably like shit more. I mean, not saying more than 10. It's almost 10 pips. That's 7 pips drawdown. So it's like that would be one hell of a play to get into, and it's like starting to consolidate within here. So I mean, in my opinion, it's ranging. I would have to say, like, if there's any market structure break, it would have to be like broken like up this side. Like making a resistance here, then further creating a retracement somewhere around here. Probably, more realistically around here, because there's a new resistance which probably get retapped into if it breaks up. Probably come back down around 1800. Maybe more buy positions can go back up towards 1810, but until then, it's too consolidated for any Fibonacci. But definitely something to consider. I definitely think Fibonacci is more playable at past breaking this. But to get a play, and not having to wait for that long. Oh man, no, the guy woke up. The man. He's up. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? So, son of a gun. Let me get some music on. Closing. What are you thinking? So, to anybody that doesn't know, this is my boy Neji. He's deaf. He's my deaf boy. All the girls see the boy. He looks so comedy. I gotta let this dude out real quick, so I'm gonna get something playing. See how this. Hold on. So. Free house music.
Get back together. After live music and livelier crowds. Getting back together safely starts with getting vaccinated against COVID-19. It's your choice. Learn more about.
Alright, live. I gotta go ahead and let this dude out really quick. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'm just kind of staying on here right now. I don't know if I'm finding the right soundtracks at all. Let me check something. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. 1793. I'm looking for that. That'll be better sales. I agree 100%. Sheesh! Well, damn, boy. This looks more preferable, in my opinion. I'd much rather get buys. Like, if I had to choose between sells or buys, I'd much rather get buys. So, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got 30-minute candle. 30-minute candle going crazy right now. Personally, I'm definitely waiting for this candle to close because impulsive entry right now, I don't know. Honestly, I think if there would be any impulse entry, it would have to be past 1801, 318. Exactly. Because it has to break these wicks. That'd be the only time I get into a. I'm going to get it ready, though. Just for the stream. I got one trade. You know, I might have an impulse entry on this. Maybe. Personally, I'm looking for it to close. I'd much rather it close. But I also don't want to miss the play. So, hypothetically, I'm not in anything right now. I just want to make sure I have my stuff ready. So, if I do enter it and it does become an impulse entry, I know what my stop loss is quickly and I know what to type in. Because, I mean, this is a money-making move right here. Well, I do want to see if there is any. Yeah, there really isn't. That's crazy, bro. That's a 5-minute candle. Holy smokes. I mean, that's major right there. So, I'm digging it. This music ain't too bad neither. It's got a nice little tune to it. That's crazy. That's 10 pips. Holy shit. About to enter like a small ass position. But yeah, right now I prefer to wait though. You know, I got time. You know, 7:06 in the morning. I ain't got guys coming to my pad till around 8ish. So. I mean, if they come a little earlier, they come a little earlier, but I should be straight. Should be straight to stay on the stream.
Learn about crypto and get paid as you learn.
Learn about crypto.
We've paid out over $100 million in crypto rewards since Coinbase Earn launched in 2018.
Hard.
To start earning, just watch short videos, answer simple questions about what you've seen, and get rewarded. Get started today on
Hard.
Coinbase.com/earn.
That looks official. This shit's annoying.
Make energy.
Cow pies. We take these backside bundles and turn them into energy. They can power this farm and this commercial. It's all thanks to our nerd herd, a team of scientists, engineers, and more, who are working with the sun, soil, and even our cow's diet to help reduce methane gas. Learn more about our net zero promise at dfanerdherd.com.
Remind me of SpongeBob. I gotta find a distinct playlist or something, you know, like some just no copyright music, chill, cool shit. it'd be more like distinctful when people hear me on the stream, but I don't know if this is the one. Live on YouTube, live on YouTube. Let me know. Let me know. Hold on. Live on YouTube, live on YouTube. Oh, Lord, that's it. Stupid as hell. That's it. Live on YouTube. Let me know. Alright, let me do this. I need to be like a. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Live on YouTube. Third time going live. Tap into the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and link my YouTube in my bio. But we here live Forex session. Go GJ live analysis. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Live on YouTube. Third time go live. Tap into the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and link my YouTube in my bio. Yes, sir. Yes. But we here live Forex session. Go GJ live analysis. But we here live Forex session. Go GJ live analysis. But we here live Forex session. Go GJ live analysis. But we here live Forex session. Go GJ live analysis. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Live on YouTube. Third time go live. Tap into the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and over here live Forex session. Go GJ live analysis. Over here. That shit dumbass fast. Bro, I'm terrible with the phone. Oh yeah, baby. So I took an impulse entry here, and I'm stopped out. So it was a loss. So that was a loss. Definitely, you know, something I could have learned a little bit better there. That is my second trade of the day. First trade was profitable. I secured 9 pips, closed a little bit early, and then got into a second position. Got stopped out 10 pips, and got stopped out full position, 10-cent lot. So really nothing to worry about too much. But yeah, that is I was looking at looking to be about maybe a wrap. I might consider re-entering just upon this next whenever this candle closes. So that's something I probably would end up might doing. I got into impulsive entry expecting that maybe it could be some pretty high volume coming in. It is the opening of New York session, so it's looking pretty good. So there are my 2 trades. But honestly, although it is relatively breaking my rules, 100% last play. I mean, this is my 3rd trade. 1 to 2 trades every day. I know it is what it is, but this setup looks too good. And originally, I should have just waited. Should have been more patient. And I didn't, so I got burnt for it. Which, being gold, something I just need to just really sit back and just chill. Because impulsive entries can be, a blessing, but they can burn you quicker than most plays do. So it's always something to keep in mind. About 11 minutes.
.com maintain the superhuman levels of productivity necessary to help more renters get into new homes.
Man, I gotta get a better no copyright playlist. This shit sound comedy. Yeah, definitely. In the next 10 minutes, candle looks like this, most likely gonna enter it. And if it looks like this, I ain't entering it though. Not like that. Vibing out on the charts, trying to catch a quick play, looking for a long on a pair called. Oh, if I was looking at GJ, that would rhyme. Looking for a pay on GJ, but it's actually gold. So I was looking at that. I was looking at XAUSD. $720. I got a lot weighing on this candle right now. This candle determines my buy or whatever. Yeah. Just cool. Oh yeah, looking like a major rejection. Holy smokes. But this should be nuts though. You just never know. It shit could just bounce right the fuck back up. This almost sounds like a beat. What the hell? Going on the charts, got 5 minutes on the candle. I ain't smoking on some shit, coming straight from the Jungle Boy, boy. I'm out in Cali from the West Coast. This shit sound comedy, dog. I need to get some different shit. Hold on. I'm gonna just lower this shit. I'm tired of looking for shit. I think by 8 o'clock I'll call the session. I think I'm gonna call it 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go check up on my puppy, see where this dude's at. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. Damn, cuz. Hey. Just cooling, man. I got into an impulsive entry. Not where I should have, though. I got in pretty high. Can't remember exactly. I think it was like 801. Nah, it's 809. I don't know. Let's see. 801. 801 20 something. Come on. Yeah, my body's like. Where did I take that by? It's kind of confusing me now. Oh, wow. So I did get in late. Oh, yeah. Real late. Yeah, so I literally just got stopped out. So I got into an impulsive entry, and my idea was once it breaks these candles, enter, but doing it from my phone, um, I didn't execute fast enough. This could have been 10 pips easily, take profit, boom, smash, done. But I entered it a little bit later, and I was doing a little thing on Instagram thing on live. So I mean, no excuses. It took the trade, lost the trade. No harm, no foul. I got it written right here too, just so everybody sees just how the session is going so far. But yeah, like I said, could have been more beneficial, the impulsive entry, if I executed more quickly, I guess you could say. And yeah, it is what it is. Waiting for the candle is probably the next best thing to do. But at this point, I'm not going to enter because this candle hasn't broke my level, which is 1848. Um, if the candle closes bullish past 1800, that's when I'll enter another buy position just to test the old theory here. I really like the move to the upside for sure, but it is almost breaking my rules because I am trading. This is like third trade of the day, the morning, and I only make 1 to 2 trades every day. So I am kind of breaking some rules here, but I'm not really tripping. Alright, boys, I can't even lie, man. It's looking pretty grim. Maybe not grim. I mean, obviously not grim. I'm not saying that, but my time is running short on the stream. It is 2 trades. I thought maybe, this candle, if it closed and closed above this, I'd get into another buy position for a 3rd trade, which would be breaking my rules, but 3rd trade and I'm absolutely done, win or lose. But now that this candle's kind of going back down into the range, I think at this point, sitting here, I'm just going to be sitting here waiting for probably about till maybe, I mean 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, something around there. I would say 8 o'clock, it brings this New York Stock Exchange comes in, so it could, bring some more volume to the markets and really make the motherfucker move and shit like that. But honestly, taking my 2 trades, I could just wait for tomorrow and catch another setup, that's the main thing. But just to do a little recap, make sure to save. Just do a recap here. At about like 5:30ish, I'd say about maybe like closer to 6. Pretty much like around 5:45, 5:50ish. 5 in the morning, I got into a buy position. I got into it at 151, 779. I got into a buy position here. I ended up securing 9 pips, right? So it's going up in price. Went up in price. Right around here, it was just kind of hanging around here, kind of going up and down between 7 and 9. So I was like, you know what, best just to close 50% of my position in profits. So I secured 50% of that. I moved my stop loss to break even, and the rest was history. It went up another like fucking 3 or 4 pips, and I didn't close. I left it run because I was pretty confident in my take profit here at 151.942, which turned out not to actually come play in my favor. But at the end of the day, it made me stay profitable, and not profitable overall today because I did take the loss on gold, but I'm gonna get to that in a second. But with this trade in general, it made me profitable still because even though it would have went back and draw down and maybe saying whatever it's doing right now, either way I'd still be losing money if I was in this trade still. But yeah, it stopped me out at break even, so no big deal. Now when I go over to gold here, I got into a super late, like literally up here. 1802.22. Like literally a terrible entry. So I could have done better on this trade generally, what I'm saying, with a better execution. And even if I secured, even honestly, like keeping it real, even if I would have entered right here where I'd like to, it only went up 8 pips. So necessarily, it's not even. It's a losing trade regardless. I should have most definitely waited for the candle to close. I would have seen that. Obviously, the candle closed below my resistance. Since it closed below this resistance here at 1800, I wouldn't have entered the trade, and I would have kept profitable on the 9 pips. But I had a 10 pip stop loss, and that 10 pips hits in full. So I guess you can call it, 1 pip down. So overall, I got a good experience. I definitely enjoyed my time on the stream. Every day is really enjoyable. I mean, I don't really care if I got no people watching. The mentality for me is, one day I feel like I'm going to have, 100 people, 100K. I'm going to have a lot of people watching. So I have to put in my mindset, whenever I'm on these streams, like I got to pretend if 100 million people watch me right now, what do I want to look like? And I don't mind looking like how I look right now. I do want to keep improving the stream, obviously. keep improving the quality of it, move on to the desktop and whatnot, and from the desktop get be able to have my MetaTrader 5 and I'm trading on MetaTrader 4 on my phone, but I'd like to kind of move on to MetaTrader 5, so I might move to MetaTrader 5, put that on my desktop, and yeah, probably go with that shit. Make that shit happen. My stockbroker Hugo's way. Been kind of considering Dominion Markets. It's a Canada platform. Hugo's way, I believe, is in Switzerland, but they are foreign brokers. But I definitely prefer them though because of the spreads and commission is not terrible. But it's a 1-to-400 leverage as well, and it's done me well. Withdrawing's pretty quick. It's usually in the same day, so it's not bad at all. Only reason why I consider maybe switching stockbrokers necessarily is because if I'm going to go to my desktop and download MetaTrader 5 and trade off MetaTrader 5, I'm going to have to get a new stockbroker in general or keep the same one. And I can easily keep the same one, but me being such a new trader, this is still pretty much my first year. It is like a year and some months now of trading with real money. So I do only have experience with one broker, and I feel like it's not a bad idea to try another broker just to see how it is. I got a long time to live, so got a lot to learn, and yeah, so that's probably I'm probably gonna do that once I get everything set up on the new desktop. Switch to MetaTrader 5, maybe go to Dominion Markets, and keep it going. Keep it going. But yeah, 8 o'clock, I'm gonna end the stream. End the stream at 8 o'clock. It's price is just chilling right now. Chilling, it's ranging. GJ. Could be in its own little range here soon. Could range between here and here. 151 750-ish and 151 942. It could just start ranging between here. We don't know yet. We're gonna have to see what happens. Could create a support. Could make a Fibonacci here. Yeah, looking good though. Oh, my little puppy just keeps tearing shit up, man. He's crazy. Excuse me. Man, it's like I'm trying to play like a Young Timmy song. I'm trying to play. I'm sure like playing some music, but I don't think I'm trying to do all that. Reason why I'm not gonna do all that is because I ain't trying to get no copyright. Well, since we got about 20 minutes, man. Honestly, at this point, I think I will call the stream. At this point, I don't see myself getting to any further positions, any plays. I mean, if I was to, I'm thinking I'd have to wait till about 9 in the morning. And I've already taken my 2 trades today. So I'm going to probably just end it on that note. Be looking to come here tomorrow. Get that shit in. Get these plays in. Remain profitable. And just keep doing my best, man. Never get comfortable. Steady, steady, steady. Well, if anybody watching right now, hey, I appreciate you guys tapping in. I really appreciate you guys giving me the time and checking out the stream. I will be live again tomorrow morning, and hell yeah, I'll be looking to trade gold and GJ. Looking at the economic news, we got pretty much nothing when it comes down to GJ, United States. No Great British Pound news, no yen news. So, with that being said, I'm looking for just the session itself to give the volume within the markets. We got a little bit of unemployment claims here. It's 7:30 in the morning, so at 7:30 in the morning we got unemployment claims. So there's definitely there's gonna be some good volume for sure, especially New York session open at 7 in the morning. 7:30 is when some news starts to hit. So gold could be some good plays tomorrow. So I'll be looking to be on the trade on the trade. I'll be looking to be on the charts tomorrow. I'll give a link to everybody who I feel who I'd like to tap into the stream and check me out. And yeah, up until then, everybody, you guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much again. I appreciate you guys tapping into my live stream. And see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll give out a link. Peace out.